Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit wants you to know that you are going to be taken care of in difficult times. They say you've been on a long journey, but you are much wiser at this stage of your life. They say there's good things coming your way, and you must uplift yourself and others around you with loving laughter. Walk away from things that don't align with your higher good. You are gifted, and you need to make yourself your first priority. You are being spiritually guided and protected from harm, and they want you to control your anger, otherwise, you will be sorry. You have had victory in some endeavor, but you left with muddled and unclear thinking. And Spirit says it's okay to be different. You don't need to be like everyone else. You are perfect just the way you are. Share the message of love. They say others may benefit from this healing energy. They say that there's new paths opening up for you. You have also had unsuccessful plans, and you still have problems that you have to solve. But they say breaking up of a problem into tiny pieces makes it easy to take the first step. They say start by seeing the light within yourself. That way you'll see the light in others. You have had disappointment in some affairs, and yet you are on the right path regarding some aspects in your life. A wish is going to be granted, and you're going to get the recognition you deserve. Just be yourself. You're a great person, and you need to enjoy being you. You are gaining so much inner strength, and the world awaits you. Let go of anxiety, calm your nerves, and you'll be able to hear the voices of your angels. They're bringing you stability in your life. There's good fortune coming your way, and but there's also temptation that's going to test you. They want you not to doubt your own self-worth. Trust the magic of the universe and make your dreams come true. I love you all. Have a good night. Night, night.